Hey everyone, it's Curry Gaming and welcome back to another video. Well, I got the opportunity to open two more trucks today, and here they are. We have Dragon Overcast and Nitro Neon's Megalodon. Oh, that looks so cool. So the last Nitro Neon I need is the Max D with the orange tire treads. Hopefully I'll get it at some point. Christmas maybe? Who knows? Yeah, but for now I got the Megalodon. Nitro Neons. Looks so awesome. Alright, so let's start off with the Overcast Dragon. Alright. There's Dragon. Alright, so here's the truck and here's the figure, probably representing either John Zimmer or Darren Miguez. Look at that. This kind of reminds me of Dragon's Breath, like the way the horns are colored and like the black color scheme with the yellow. The teeth are like perfectly textured on this truck. It's got gray rims as well. The eyes, it says Dragon. I think the Overcast Dragon is probably my favorite Overcast. Because, I mean, like, so Blue Thunder was my top favorite, and then I think Dragon took the cake. So Dragon's my first favorite, Blue Thunder's my second favorite, Gravedigger's my third favorite, and Megalodon is my fourth favorite, or least favorite, and El Toro Loco might also be my least favorite. But I'm still getting it anyway because I collect everything. But yeah, pretty cool. I like this a lot. So there's Dragon. And let's move on to the beautiful Nitro Neon's Megalodon. Here is Megalodon, and here is the figure representing Corey Rummel, Justin Sipes, Alex Blackwell, just anyone who drives Megalodon. Alright, here is Megalodon. So the shark body is like colored differently, but the Megalodon logo is like nicely highlighted. Yeah, the truck is like more matte painted than usual. I think they kind of changed the color of the fins as well. Yeah. Megalodon looks really cool, and the Nitro Neon's roll cage and tires just look awesome on this thing. I mean, like, I can't deny it. It is such a good looking truck. I mean, like, I think this is my favorite release of Megalodon this year by Spin Master. Oh man, so cool. Alrighty, so that was the unboxing of Nitro Neon's Megalodon and Overcast Dragon. I hope you enjoyed. These two trucks will also make their debut in Sign Up Series 17. So yeah. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time.